Righto guys and girls, this is the boost tube adapter kit that I've made up. This is the version 2. It's a much better and compact version than the version 1. And I appreciate your patience with everything that's been going on. Rightio, so the kit will include your top plate with or without your custom logo to match your car. It will come with 2 hose clamps. This second one's already fitted. It will also come with 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Tools needed are a 3mm Allen key, 8mm spanner, either 8mm socket or screwdriver, a pair of scissors, marker pen and a ruler. So you need to get your factory boost tube and trim 60mm off one end and 35 off the other. The end that you trim 60mm off will slide up against the boost tube plate, and the 35mm end will go onto your carbon fibre plenum. Once you've got that in place there and tied up nice and snug, you then get your 2 bolts that I've supplied and your Allen key, and you replace these first 2 screws as they might be too short underneath. Also, this bracket here for the bonnet sensor will be different on all of our cars. I know that because I made this kit for vehicle number 16 and mine's 197. And yeah, 16's was about here and mine's obviously here. But we'll carry on. So once you've trimmed your boost tube and that's all on, you get your second hose clamp. Just slide it over the carbon fibre tubing. Then you get your first hole is a fixed hole. Your second hole is actually slotted a little bit because, again, they do vary a little bit. Slide the front down underneath, get your tube, slide it over your carbon fibre tube. Can be a little bit tricky, but it does go. Then just be careful on your corner area not to scratch your paint, and just wiggle it in between the bonnet bracket and the body panel. Then we go back to this hole here and we locate it on the bolt underneath. Which is on there. Then we get the second one. And we do the same with it. And that's on there. Then we get the 2 nuts which I've supplied with the kit. Put your first one on under here. That's what you'll use your 8mm spanner for, to tie that up. This one here is a little tricky, but you can get it. You'll also notice on this kit, compared to the first one I posted, the access hole for the radiator bowl, it's a lot more open, which is a good thing. Tie them up. Be careful not to drop your spanner, otherwise you'll be pulling out a lot of parts of the car to get to it. And tie up your second hose clamp. and we are done. So there you have it. There's your boost tube adapter kit. 1 bolt, 2 bolts, slides underneath the trim here between the bonnet sensor bracket, sorry, and your panel. That's your second hose clamp. Nice access for your radiator bottle, your personal logo. I have changed that engraving a bit, it is a bit nicer. And yeah, thanks guys, enjoy.